Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to set only admin can send messages in WhatsApp group. If you're using WhatsApp and you want to set that only admin can send message in the WhatsApp group, so let's see how can you do that. You just have to open your WhatsApp app and here just select the group which you want to manage. As I'm opening this one, just select the group name to get group info. And here you must have to select group permissions and here you will get a setting named send new messages. If you want to set only admin can send message, so you must have to disable that setting. Basically this is the setting which allow all the members to send new message, so you must have to disable that. Just tap on this and the toggle will be turned off. Once you have, just go back and here you can see when you have changed the setting, all the members will be notified that you have changed this group's settings to allow only admins to send messages to this group. So that's how you can easily set only admins can send message in the WhatsApp group. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.